yardstick. You don't even have to get around. Alright, so we are on our way to Pittsburgh to go pick up a KTM 1290 Super Duke for Eric. It's going to be super fun, and then later on in the evening we're going to run out to Ducati Cleveland and meet with Jordan and pick up his V4 Streetfighter. It's going to be an exciting one, so stay tuned.
We're in danger.
Yeah, we're in danger. Going to the moon. Alright guys, we made it to we're about 5 minutes from the dealer, and we are starving. So we are near Pittsburgh, and when in Pittsburgh you go to Panigale. So we're gonna go inside, get ourselves some sweet sandwiches, and we'll see you at the dealer. Alright guys, so we made it to the dealer, and we're gonna go check out the bike. Alright guys, so we are outside. Eric has officially signed the paperwork, and this is his new 1290 Super Duke. So he's getting it geared up, and he's going to get ready to ride this thing home. Oh boy. Very calling us. To our first pit stop, and we're about halfway back. I'm gonna hop on the bike and finish the trip out, so give Eric a little break here, but we'll see you on the bike.
This thing is awesome. Oh, this is comfortable. Little baby wheelie. See what I'm saying? Oh my god. Oh, that's alright. That was over exaggerated. That did a great job soaking that up. This thing has, let's see, I don't even know how many miles on it, and I don't know how to get to the miles. It's brand, oh, 80 miles. There we go. Look at that. We can change the dashboard. Oh, that's sick. Okay, look, there's a whole bunch of gauges. Look, I like that. You can minimize it too. I bet if we go back down, maybe not. Okay. Don't know how to use any of that, but it looks good. This bike is superb so far. Skirt, skirt. Test the emergency brakes. Pretty good. This thing is so much fun. What a cool bike. This is a good little bike. I say little, it's a 1290. This thing is huge. It just feels way smaller than it is. It's really like collected, and honestly, if you told me this was a 1290, I wouldn't believe you. It doesn't seem overwhelming like you think it would be. It's actually like really calm and tame. So that's really nice. It's actually super easy to ride and super duper put together. Everything, the buttons, the switches, they all feel so nice and like well done. Like everything feels good. It has cruise control, it has customizable buttons over there, it has like slip mode when you're in track, where you can control how much the tire slips. There's so much technology in this thing. You get all fully adaptable suspension, the WP suspensions, all electronic. You can adjust it on the fly. Switchable ABS, you can turn the rear off into supermoto mode. This thing is so cool. It has so much technology in this thing, and what you get for it. It really is great. Quick shifter up and down. It works pretty good. I'm in an exit only lane, which I don't think I need to be. It's 67 and it's absolutely perfect out. And we get to ride Jordan's V2 Streetfighter home. Oh, what a great day this is. I get to ride a 1290 Super Duke. The Multistrada got dropped back off at the house this morning by Jake. Thank you, Jake. That is awesome. And then after we drop this off, we're gonna go pick up Jordan's V2 Streetfighter in that awesome storm green. I cannot wait to ride that thing and see it in action, and I'm sure Jordan's gonna love seeing it on the road. I don't know if I would buy this to tour on. It is pretty nice. That cruise control is gonna save his wrist. We need gas. 8.9 miles. So we have 10 miles for range. I'm in danger. Free light bulbs may not have been the smartest idea, huh? Oh, it comes right up in second too. It's amazing.
So don't touch the headers when your hands are cold at a stoplight. That's the only advice I have for KTM ownership, but other than that, this thing is superb. Alright, so we've got the bike at Eric's house. Eric's ready to go for a rip, and then now we are going to pick up Jordan's Streetfighter. So off to Ducati.